Vanakkam friends, I am Dr. Vanangamudi presenting on behalf of Trinity Cultural Academy, Coimbatore, and the topic for discussion in briefly is the training and pruning techniques in horticulture. Mostly this type of training and pruning are being taken in the orchard system, especially the fruit crops, and we can see one by one in this presentation. And the definition for training is it is the practice of orienting the plant growth into a shape desired shape or form by controlling the direction of plant parts, especially the shoots. And this is the definition for training. And why should we take training in orchard crops, especially the fruit crops? The first one is to provide a strong framework to support fruiting branches in which the fruits are being produced, and to improve light penetration and air circulation. This is more important, that will be useful for the photosynthesis as well as respiration. To facilitate cultural operations like spraying and harvesting. If the trees are grown, the fruit trees are grown in a height, and it is very difficult to do all these after cultivation, after care operations, especially the spraying. That's why the orchard people, they will adopt training process in the fruit crops. And finally, the objective is to improve quality and quantity of fruits. Then the yield will be high if you carry out the pruning, as well as the quality of the fruit in terms of the sweetness and the total solids content and other things. And there are many types of training systems in the fruit crops, and I have listed out about 5 to 6 systems in this presentation. And this first one is the open center system, that is vase shape system, in which the center leader is removed to allow light in, and that will allow the light inside the fruit crops. And this type of training system is being followed in peach and plum. And the second training system is central leader. Here one main stems grow upright with branches, and this is being done in mango and sapota. And the third one is modified leader system. Here the leader is allowed initially, then it is being headed back, again the pruned back. And this is commonly followed in apple as well as pear. And the fourth one is cordon. The plant, the tree, trained horizontally or vertically on wires, that's a netted wires. And the best example for this type of training system is grapes, passion fruit. And the next one is bower or pergola type system, and here the overhead trellis system is followed. It is also being done for grapes as well as ivy gourd. And the final training system is the tatura trellis, And here V-shaped trellis structure are being done for high density production, and this is being followed in apple and pear. And the next one is the pruning system. The definition for pruning is the selective removal of plant parts such as branches, flower buds, or roots to regulate growth and increase the productivity in terms of the quantity as well as quality of the product, especially the fruits. And here also there are five main objectives I have listed out. The first one is to remove dead, diseased, as well as the pest infested branches. And the second objective is, and pruning is also done to improve sunlight penetration and air movement. And third one is to maintain size and shape of the plant, the trees, the fruit trees. And the fourth one is to stimulate new growth as well as flowering. This is more important. And here also it will improve the fruit quality and by controlling the crop load. And the types of pruning are, the first one is heading back. Here the cutting back of the terminal portion and to promote branching of fruit crops. And the second one is thinning out. It is the removal of entire shoots and branches to reduce crowding, that's overcrowding of branches. And the root pruning, it is the reducing the root system to control tree size. So you have to prune the roots in order to improve the tree size. And regeneration pruning, here the cutting of old and unproductive branches, even trees, to restore vitality. And the pruning season, the best season is done during the dormant season, that is during late winter in temperate crops like apple, pear, etc. After harvest and before flowering is done, the pruning is done in tropical and subtropical crops. All the tropical, mango, guava, the papaya and other things, subtropical like the where the trees, fruit trees are going in subtropical conditions. And the tools used for pruning as well as the training is the secateurs, lopping shears, pruning saw, and hedge shears. These are all the four main tools are being used for this pruning. And the impact of improper pruning and training. If the training and pruning is not done in fruit crops, what happens to fruit crops? The yield and other things, especially the productivity, poor fruit quality, dense canopy leading to pest and disease problems, and weak structural development, and it increases the labor for harvesting and spraying. These are all the disadvantages or the impact of the training or pruning. And that's all, friends. Thanks a lot for your patient hearing. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, Trinity Cultural Academy Coimbatore, and like this presentation. Kindly pass on your comments, and also you can share this video to your friends as well as WhatsApp groups. Thanks a lot, friend. Thank you.